This is going to show you how to get to the registration form database in case you get a payment notification, but you don't get the registration form. That has happened a couple of times. So you go to Components and Proforms. You'll see that you have one title of a form here. And then over here, we're going to see Database Records. You'll click that. These are going to show you all your database records, the people who filled out the registration form for tours. I am not going to click on this to view it on these ones because it will show all the personal information, and since this is on YouTube, I don't want to show that. But I'll come up to the test one that I had sent Tony yesterday, and you'll see you get to see all the information that was on the registration form, and then you can print this. What you'll need to be especially careful with is these buttons, the delete. If you hit that by mistake, it will be deleted. It won't give you, are you sure you want to delete? It will just delete it and you cannot undo it. So be very careful. You don't really need to worry about the confirmed part for this. So this is how you view it. Do not hit this button unless you want it to be gone permanently. But that way you'll be able to get the client information.